In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install extensions plugins via Creative Cloud. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find plugins, how to choose the right one for your workflow, and how to install it confidently using the Creative Cloud desktop app. First, open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. This is the central place where Adobe manages your apps, updates, and add-ons. If the app is already running, you'll usually find its icon in your menu bar or system tray. Once it's open, you're ready to browse the marketplace. At the top of the Creative Cloud window, click Stock and Marketplace. This is Adobe's built-in hub for add-ons and content. You'll see categories here, but we're going to focus specifically on plugins and extensions that enhance the capabilities of apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more. Next, select the Plugins tab. This filters the marketplace to show tools that plug directly into your Adobe apps. It's a convenient way to find integrations that improve editing, design, motion, and production workflows without hunting across different websites. Here, you'll notice a search bar and a curated list of available plugins and extensions you can add. You can preview key details at a glance, like the plugin's name, a short description, ratings, and often which Adobe apps it supports. This is especially helpful for checking compatibility with your installed apps and versions before you proceed. Now, browse or search for the plugin or extension you want. Use keywords related to your task like batch export, color grading, or UI kits. When you click a plugin's listing, read the overview, look at screenshots, and check supported versions. This is the best moment to confirm the plugin aligns with your needs and to review any permissions it may require. When you're ready, click Get for Free Plugins or click the Price button for paid plugins. For paid options, you'll be guided through a secure purchase process. For free ones, it's typically a quick confirmation. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to install it. The installer may ask you to confirm permissions, choose which Adobe apps to install into, or accept terms. Watch for progress indicators, and when it's done, Creative Cloud will show that the plugin is installed. Some plugins become available immediately, while others may require you to relaunch the associated Adobe app. If a message appears with next steps, go with that guidance. That's it. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app, go to Stock and Marketplace, pick the Plugins tab, search or browse, click Get or the Price, and follow the prompts. Enjoy expanding your toolkit and streamlining your creative process.